Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making these tiny French cakes called as Madeleines, that too in chocolate flavor. Into a large bowl add in 2 eggs, add some sugar and blend it till the sugar gets melted. Add few drops of vanilla essence and mix it once again. Now sift in all the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, cocoa powder and some baking powder. Now mix this flour into the egg using a spatula. Make sure there is no spots of dry flour. Now into this add in some melted butter. Mix it really well and incorporate the entire butter into the batter. Now you can see the whole butter got absorbed into the batter. Now you have to refrigerate this for 1 hour or keep it overnight. Now here I am using some shell-shaped molds. You can also use Madeleine molds which is available online. Grease that really well. Now take out the batter which was refrigerating for 1 hour. Just give it a mix. Now scoop some of this batter and add it to the baking tray. Now let's bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. And when it is out from the oven, you can see small dome shape at the top. That is a perfect shape of the Madeleines. And when it is still warm, slowly take that out from the mold, because if it cools down in the mold, it will get stuck onto it and it will be very difficult to remove. So very carefully remove it from the baking tray and cool it down on a wire rack. Now this step is just optional. Dip these Madeleines in some melted chocolate. Here I used Hershey's chocolate, but you can use dark milk chocolate or even white chocolate. Looks really great with these Madeleines. Or instead of dipping chocolates, you can just sprinkle some powdered sugar on top and have it. It's delicious to have with some tea or coffee as a snack. On top of this melted chocolate, I'm adding some crystal sugar. It's really soft and amazing in its flavor. So definitely try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.